Welcome home, honey.
Oh.
All right, how are you guys? I'm missing you so much. I know that Damian was away for 1 week in Lombok.
But I'm come back.
I'm so jealous and I miss him. Well, actually, yes, I'm jealous because he is
So hold
on holidays
hold
for
on a
1
second.
week.
So you miss me or you jealous? Because that's two different things.
Both.
Alright, that's
So,
good.
because now you are already in Bali actually, so now this is my time to have a sweet escape, and I plan to go somewhere with you.
That's true.
Yeah, so now we are on the way to Ubud. Yeah, and it's a little bit raining actually nowadays. The
It's
weather.
rainy season. Same
Yeah.
like in Lombok was rainy.
Yeah.
But actually when we go to Ubud and when it's rainy in Ubud, it's actually nice because it's like a tropical rainforest vibe, something like that.
Yeah,
you know?
so that's why I decided to have a sweet escape in Ubud because Damian already away for 1 week, and now this is my time to have a sweet escape. But yeah, he has to pay all of the bills in Ubud actually.
Oh my god. I'm already bankrupt from the Lombok trip.
Alright, so now we are checking in Wapadiuma Hotel.
Ubud, because it's still one is in Sideman. We make a video. I will link over here, and this is the Ubud. Somebody asked last time about to do some. Come to the Wapadiuma in Ubud. So here we go. I forgot the name. I'm so sorry, but this is for you.
Yeah. So before we used to stay in Wapadiuma Sideman in
Yes.
East Bali in Karangasem, but today we decided to chill in the Ubud, Wapadiuma Ubud, and seems like almost
Yes,
full
I just
booked.
wanted to say I had difficulties to park the car because no space. It seems like full, and everywhere are people like in normal. It's something new because I was in this week already. This is my third hotel. I mean that was last week. Yeah, but you know. Anyway, it's like something different showing the hotel where it's full, not empty always, right? Where are my sunglasses, honey?
Alright, so we already check in. The welcome drink, the coconut, so good, and they have a fruit also here as the welcome
Very
drink.
nice, welcome.
And then we are so happy that Pak Suparso is here. So
Welcome to Wapadiuma.
Thank you so much.
so you know, whenever he welcome us, like welcome again, welcome home again. So I'm so happy that finally we are here again in Wapadiuma.
Said before, we already stayed in Wapadiuma Sideman, and the first day when they open, and now so it's like kinda, you know, very nice experience.
Thank you. Welcome back.
You're
to Wapa.
welcome.
Wapa di Yuma Ubud. As you see,
Why I wear mask in my room?
so cool. Wow, I really like the vibe here in Wapa di Yuma, Cinnamon.
Yes, but
Yeah.
especially when it was raining. Now it's actually stopped raining a little bit, so it's nice sunny. But before it was raining, it's really nice vibe. I really like atmosphere when it's in Ubud. It's rainy actually. It's really like a tropical vibe.
Yeah, so we spoke to the manager today, right? And he said, like, I'm so happy that the hotel is nowadays, the occupancy is getting high and high.
Yeah, it's actually
Many
very
people
busy
are
now.
come. Oh my god, I'm so happy to hear that.
Yeah, it's very nice, especially to compare to the last time when we go somewhere and was nearly empty, no
Yeah,
people, and
yeah.
now it's some people around. That's really good. You feel like everything come back to normal. Actually, not yet, but it's the big hope. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, quick, we will show you the room how it's look,
Yeah.
and then we will have a dinner somewhere in Ubud, right?
Yeah, sure.
And maybe coffee first also.
All right.
So basically that's how it look our room. This is the patio or terrace, however you call that. This is very nice actually, Ubud style table and the pillows, cushion to sit, Winnie on the bed with the mosquito net. I like the style of the beds like this. They are also mostly in Ubud, actually they are because of mosquitoes, but this also looks very romantic. Right, honey?
Yeah.
You sleeping already?
I really like this comfy bed.
Comfy bed? Alright.
I'm not in the colors.
Alright, so now we are in a Ubud center actually. So we decided to have a dinner. As
Yes.
usual, I'm always hungry.
Yeah, when you're always hungry. I ordered like always, you will see anyway, just few words, this is famous restaurant and it's quite empty actually.
Outside empty, but inside almost full.
Almost
yeah, we decided to
full, but
stay
not-
outside to have a more fresh air.
Especially,
no aircon.
especially after rain is very nice, you know.
Yeah.
We will show you the food and later little bit how it's life in Ubud at night. right, our food arrived, and together we ordered today burger. So not only me, as I always eat burger. Well, that's true actually. But look how Winnie eat French fries. It looks like eating nasi. I'm so proud that she don't eat nasi today actually.
Well, I just want to tell you, this place is super because look at the food.
Very
The
nice.
burger is so good. This is one of our favorite restaurant in Ubud. This is called Famous.
And it's very cheap.
Big portion of burger and the price is only just cost you around 45k.
Including the taxes.
Including the tax.
So it's like 350 US, something like that in the restaurant. I think
And
it's pretty
always
good.
Always full of people, coming.
Actually today is not as super busy, but usually
Will be.
We are it's just still after just 6, so yeah, okay. Smacznego, enjoy honey.
Smacznego.
See you later. What are you doing?
Watching your video and then drinking my watermelon
Oh
juice.
nice. How's your burger?
Oh my god, it's so good.
Can you be full after without not eating nasi?
Oh my god, this one when I eat the burger I feel so full because I had a big portion with the potato, the french fries, oh my god, and then I left some of the potatoes and Damian ate them.
I like potato. Alright, and now I'm gonna have a cappuccino over here. By the way, cappuccino here only 19k. That's super cheap for Bali.
Oh my god, it's so cheap.
It's
And
really cheap.
this one is in the center of Ubud actually.
Yeah, in the center of Ubud, where is the big petrol station, you go down and it's like 200 meters after the petrol station, very close. And cappuccino looks very nice.
And as I told you, inside already many people.
Yeah, they coming and coming. That's good actually. We just come back from the dinner from Ubud. We showed you a little bit how it looks, the Ubud situation at morning, afternoon, late afternoon and at night. Well, looks like how is it look?
Yeah.
By the way,
Because maybe it's because raining
Yeah,
outside.
maybe because of rain it's not
quiet
so-
little bit.
yeah.
But yeah.
So that's how it looks. This is another shot from the room at night. By the way, this hotel is dedicated for any honeymooners and romantic people. Oh, that's why Winnie always think a Sweet Escape, that's a good place for you. Also forgot to mention before, my bad, we pay for the hotel just 500k rupiah, which is about 35 US. If so, I will put on the screen if
Yes,
I'm
dollars,
mistaken. 35 US. Normally the price is much more expensive, I'm not sure, but
Yeah.
current conditions is still
Around
exist.
2 million or
Yeah,
something.
even in 2 million in the high season.
Yeah.
So that's how it look like. Tomorrow we show you more about the gardens. I will fly drone because I got permission. So that's actually cool. And yeah, I think that will be enough for today's vlog. Yes, honey?
Yeah.
You make a
Thank you
closing
for
because
watching and see you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow,
Bye.
guys. Take
I'm so
care.
sleepy, sorry.
it's okay, honey. Sleep.